Hello everyone, in today's topic we'll talk about the very famous Hornbill Festival of Nagaland. Nagaland is rightly often called as the land of festival because Naga people celebrate festival throughout the year as all the tribes have their own unique festival. This is one of the key reasons for the state government to come up with the now famous Hornbill Festival. The festival gets its name from the Indian hornbill. The hornbill is a bird which can be easily seen in the forest of Nagaland. The festival is celebrated every year between 1st of December to 10th of December in Kohima, the capital city of Nagaland. This festival was started in the year 2000 and now it is getting stronger day by day. The aim of this festival is to promote and preserve the rich cultural heritage of the state and unity among diverse tribes of the Nagaland. The 22nd edition of Hornbill Festival began at the Naga Heritage Village, Kisama on 1st December in the presence of Governor Professor Jagdish Mukhi, CM Nephew Rio, and senior envoys of several countries including the US, Germany and Israel. The festival continues to contribute immensely in enhancing the tourism brand of Nagaland and its people, as it gathers strength with every edition. Today, it has come a long way, crossing the boundaries of the state onto the global stage, where people of all cultures from all walks of life gathers as one people, celebrating the gift of life, of community living and humanity. There are several interesting things to see and experience. Let's talk about some of them. The very first is exhibition and stalls. Nagaland produces several organic products such as juices, syrups, sauces and pickles. Each region has its own variety of produce, their staple ingredients including chilies and fermented soybean, which are the representation of their culture. Visiting these stalls and learning more about their local products is an enriching experience indeed. Main attractions of these stalls includes Naga jewelry made out of variety of colorful beads, Naga shawls and stalls, traditional costumes of various tribes, cutlery made from bamboo and many souvenirs to carry home. What draws in visitor the most to this unique festival of Nagaland is the representation of traditional life here. This is a perfect opportunity to explore the diversity of cultural and traditional life of Naga people. The another attraction of the events are Morungs, which holds a special place in the state as it is known as the cultural and educational hub of Naga life. In these Morungs, youngsters, both men and women, were taught about Naga culture and warfare. They grow up learning not only how to cook and clean, but also the life sustenance methods. While witnessing these Morungs, you will feel transported to the previous era dominated by rural cultures. Food is the important key for the sustenance of life. Nagaland is popular as a meat eater's paradise. You can have fried silkworms larvae or freshly cooked frogs, or you also may have snails and dried squirrel soups. You can find lots of local Naga cuisine with its unique flavors and different cooking methods. It includes pork, beef and chickens too. But don't worry if you are a vegetarian. Hornbill welcomes you to taste corn tea, rice porridge and plantains, which are made with bamboo shoots and Naga greens by boiling with salt. A trip to Northeast India and particularly Nagaland is incomplete without sampling its local drinks, including the rice brew, juices and wines made from fruits like wild apple, cherry and banana.
This stuff. What is this? So this is the king chili powder in powder form. Yeah.
The another attraction of the event is the traditional costumes of the tribes of Nagaland. There are so many different tribes wearing colorful Naga traditional costumes. They use hornbill feathers as accessories and bones as headgear during their performances. Each tribe has its own costume. Naga tribals wear a lot of ornaments made out of local beads, wood, silver, brass and animal bones. Some of the tribes known for their hunting history carry spears decorated with dyed animal hair such as goat and boar hair. The Naga shawls worn by each tribe has different patterns and story. It is based on the role of the person wearing the shawl in that community. The Ao Naga warrior shawl has animal figures, human head and spear describing the ability of the wearer to hunt human heads. A lot can be understood about the social status of the person just by looking at the kind of shawl they are wearing. However, they wear these costumes only during ceremonies and festivals. Otherwise, they are normally dressed like you and me. The next attraction is the World War II Museum, which is worth visiting at Kisama Heritage Village. It is an effort to present as best as possible a true image of the historical battle that took place at Kohima from April 4, 1944 to May 1944 between the invading Japanese 31st Division and the defending British 2nd Division and Allied forces. This has to be built because various remains of the battle, such as parts of destroyed tanks, grenades, bullets, guns, letters and other objects as well as documents keep getting dug out from this area. The collection is augmented with audio-visual presentations that give an insight into the battle and also bring alive the memories of some of those who lived through the conflict. The next fun part is the sports at the Hornbill Festival. You could see some of the indigenous wrestling matches held here, and the best part is that you are most welcome to participate in the pork and chili eating competition. The next is the music and dance at the festival, where various tribes from other states also can perform their traditional dance to their ancient songs. The festival thus becomes a grand platform for showcasing the fabulous diversity and the tremendous unity among all the northeastern tribes. Last but not least, you can witness Hornbill International Rock Music Festival. If you are a music lover, then you should must visit this International Rock Music Festival. Music bands from all over the India, Northeast and International participate in this incredible stage fest. These bands compete amongst each other for the award. This includes big cash prizes sponsored by the government and the Music Task Force to promote music and tourism.
This is a very traditional game. Brothers had missed the chance of recapturing their every piece.
Hornbill Festival is the most colorful and sparkling celebration of the northeast region of India. This is something you just cannot help fall in love with the diversity of the tribals. This is a display and celebration of beautiful Naga way of life. This festival holds its culture and traditions for the entire world to see and appreciate it. That's all for today's topic. Thank you.